Ending Blends. S. Ante. Mr. August found a chest full of gold in midst of the forest. N and K. Naughty mink poured ink in the drink of the chipmunk. N and D. Frank and his friend tried to mend the broken wand. N and T. Mint the ant went to hunt an elephant. S and P. Chloe the wasp let out a gasp on seeing a green asp. M and P. The plump chimp set up a camp near a damp swamp. C and H. Olive the ostrich ate lots of peach sitting on the branch of a tree. C and K. Quack the duck and Jack the peacock are eating noodles. F and T. Jeff was swift to buy a toy aircraft as a gift for Leo. I and F. The wolf was playing golf all by himself. N and G. The Yin King sang a song during spring sitting on a swing. P and T. Mom always kept the garden clean. When leaves fell she was prompt and swept it at once. Write the ending blends of the pictures. Take hint from the box. Ink, chest, duck, lamp, ring, branch. Find the picture which has a beginning blend kel in it and write its name. Then say the word aloud. Cloud. Find the picture that has an ending blend nt in it and write its name. Then say the word aloud. Find the picture that has a beginning blend fur in it and write its name. Then say the word aloud. Find the picture that has an ending blend chi in it and write its name. Then say the word aloud. Look carefully at the words given in the box. Some of them have beginning blends and some have ending blends in it. Identify these words and write them in the space provided. D, key, kel, street, gray, chi, beer, cine.